guys, so it is currently Sunday, and last night me and Richard did our shopping list through Smith's app. Do the pickup because I feel like it's just a little bit easier, because you know me, I freaking hate going into the grocery store. Like, it is, ugh, I hate it. Hate it. But we of course missed like 3 things, so Richard had to go inside and get the rest. But yeah, we love doing it. This is a lot better because we did the shopping list last night while we were laying down, so I felt like we just had time to think what we needed to get. And yeah, so it was pretty cool, super easy, and I feel like we save more money because we are thinking about exactly what we need. Like, we don't go into the thing and be like, oh, let's get this too, let's get that too, you know. So we save a little bit of more money that way. But yeah, it is Sunday. I don't know what we're gonna do. It is 11:30 right now, so it's still very early in the day, but I think that we're just gonna stay home, to be honest with you guys. But you guys, my skin has been feeling so good lately because of this product. I absolutely love it. It has SPF in it, and it's just like an amazing product. So I just wanted to let you know that my skin is perfect. I wear full face makeup every single day, so for me to always clean my face is like a huge thing for me. But yeah, all right, I will see you guys when we get home. Like I said, we're at Smith's right now and trying to get like groceries, so fingers crossed that this week, you guys, goes really fast for me. It is my birthday. I'm trying to say birthday, but I always say birthday. I've said it like that since I was a kid. It is my birthday next weekend, and I'm super excited. I took Saturday off, and then my birthday is on Sunday, so I'm excited for that. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna, I don't know, I want to do something simple, not too crazy, not too like fancy and stuff. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but all I know is that I want this week of work to go super quick. Oh, it's been rough a little bit at work, so I just want to go fast, you know. It is my mom's birthday today. She already celebrated it in Australia, so currently it is Monday in Australia. So I just wanted to wish you, Mom, a huge happy birthday. I'm so glad that we both are Aquarius. We both share the same birthday month, and yeah, I just love it. I love it. It's so cool because my mom's birthday is legitimately a week away from mine, so she had me a week after her birthday, which was pretty cool. Hey guys, so we're gonna head off to Resort World right now. We're gonna go get some donuts, and then we're gonna come back and cook some dinner. It is freezing outside, so yes, hopefully we just literally go do what we said. Go get donuts, come home. But there's a really cool Mexican restaurant over there. It's called Viva, so I don't know. Tempting, but no. Let's go. Oh, look at those.
That's cool.
Look, they have Dustin, Lucas, Max, Steve.
Oh, this actually.
Oh, these are cool. So we're here, and the place seems a little bit empty to when we came, but there's a lot more stores as well. But I feel like the whole mall is a bit quiet, so.
Yeah, we'll show you the outside of this mall because this mall's a bit weird. It's called the Boulevard. It's kind of like a weird mall. It's like a mixture of like mall stores and like swap meets.
Yeah, together.
And
So
then inside of there, there's like a mini swap meet, Hispanic market.
Have a look. It's like a arcade and stuff in here. Sabatites. That's kind of creepy. That comic book looks pretty good, but it's pretty dead. It's open.
Let's go take a peek.
Sure. There's like a rock climbing, and there's like a dinosaur place. This shit looks so cool. It's a pizza, burgers, chicken, sandwich. But why is it closed though? It's like this is such a huge mall and it's super quiet. But I don't know. That's pretty cool. Oh. Tackle them. Oh, he's trying to bury.
They punch each other.
Damn. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. And they're having fun. Oh. So look like OZZIE when they tumble. Oh, he's like, stop playing.
You play too much.
You play too much. I told you, stop playing. Oh my god. That was so cute. I guess there's like a Sequest aquarium in here. And it's an interactive aquarium. So it's pretty cool. But right now we're going into Goodwill. So let's check it out. Huge Goodwill. It's like one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. Okay guys, so this is where it's at. It's really, really cool. And it's in this huge mall. Oh my god, I love those. I used to do those when I was a little kid. Did you?
I did actually.
Those are pretty cool. If I was a kid, I'd totally be on that. Sure is. What's up? That is really cool. Oh, they have the 101 Dalmatians and the Office. Has to be the best shop in this mall. They have tons of Funkos.